Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Evan here and I'm from Thor. I'm excited to have you join me today for this educational journey. So now I will be doing the demonstration for you to run the encryption and decryption part of the ransomware, as we already learned above how to create a ransomware, how to create our virtual laptop, everything. So now I will be running to you the demonstration to you what will be going on and what is happening when you do the same things as me. So now let's open our virtual laptop, our password. Okay, so when we log in inside, I open the real VNC viewer. Have a look. Let's have a look. Good. So they're the same things, yeah, but this is the I can control the computer with these things. Okay, so now list out. I have desktop, documents, pictures, ransomware, videos, document, music, public, templates, all files here. Okay, and this is my desktop, so I can show you my desktop. What is in my desktop? Let's see. List out. List. There's a desktop folder 1, desktop folder 2, and customer txt, password txt, important txt. There's all kind of things. So let's get out. Okay, go back to the outside. So I will showing you like these all files. I have 4 folder inside: customer txt, details txt, important txt, sensitive data with password, everything. So everything important files is inside this computer, and now I will encrypt them so that I can get a ransom from the user. So now let's go to the ransomware file and list out. What we have is the decryption Python file and the encryption Python file. The key.key is the key we generate after you store inside the key.key. So let's see the encryption Python. Nano encryption Python. Yep. You can see the Python code above. I already shared to you guys. So I'll be like small as explain. I will encrypt the files here, and the excluding file I don't want to encrypt my own files, and this is a key I generate and I will store it into the key.key. Okay, and then for this I will create the list to store the files to encrypt, and then this is the path to enter the files from the root. So when I run this code, the Python will he will walk along the full directory path, this one, the OS path. So he will from the roots to all the directory, all the files from one by one. You can look through and you can understand what I'm writing. Yeah, this is a very nice code. So if files is in excluded files, means he's this one, these 3 files, then we just continue, we skip it. If the file is not in the excluded file and it is a file, it is in the file path, okay, then we will add him to the files to encrypt. We will add the file path to the files to encrypt. So for file paths in the files to encrypt, just now we added into the list. So we've opened the file path, so we will be going to the read binary mode, and then we will read the content inside. Like just now I show you, maybe this one, there's a full with password, then I will read it. I will read them, the Python code will read them, and then he will generate a key here. You generate a key and then he will encrypt the contents. After he encrypt the contents, he will write back. How he write back? So with this code, we've opened the file path with a write binary mode. So he will write back the encrypted contents. So later I will show you how it write back. Okay, let's run this code. Oops. Okay, let's run it. Python 3 and then encryption.python. I ran it. Oh, these all files are encrypted. Look, have a look. This one is the path. So from the roots to home, Thor, downloads, download folder 1, download folder, sensitive data, something like that lah. This is the path. So this file, what will it be? Let's open again. Oh, now he's encrypted. I can't read them now. I can't know what I'm writing now. How about others file? Oh, all the files are encrypted. All the files are encrypted. So this is the encryption file, encryption Python file what I write. So next, let's go to, we have to decrypt it. Like we just pretend that we already received the ransom paid by the user. So we have to decrypt for them. Yeah, we say the trust. Okay, we cannot lie to the user. So when we receive the ransom, we will decrypt for them. So, and before we run the decryption code, let's go through the decryption Python. So let's go through nano decryption.python. Yep, let's have a look. So I will import the OS. OS means the operating system. With the above encryption file also have, but I forgot to say it. The cryptographic format is I have to encrypt things. I import this and the random later I will show you how I use the random. So directories to decrypt, same as just now the encryption, excluded files. So now the key generate, just now we already write into the key.key mode. So we will read, now we're using read binary. We will read the key we write inside. So files to decrypt, like just now, add all the files to decrypt into the files to decrypt, this list. You add it into this list. So this is the secret phase, means the password. You have to have this password to decrypt your files. Later I will show you how it works, and this is how it works. Okay, 4 attempts in range, so that I give the user only 3 attempts. If he finished the attempts, what will it be? Let's see. So if user decrypting equal to secret phase, so when user type the secret phase inside, I will like printing what file you can decrypt it, and then I will like open the file path, means I open back to the file path and read binary mode, read the decryption content, which is this one. This all decrypted content. I read all of them, and then I decrypted them by this format. Just now I import them in, I decrypt it, and then I open the file path again and I write back so that it will become normal, like what it looks like at the first. Okay, and then yeah. So if the user like simply enter the password and he didn't pay us ransom, he did not get our password, but he simply press the password to he simply press the secret phase to enter the file, then what will it be? Okay, yeah, look, I random delete their files. So random choose a file and delete their files. So they were scared, so they won't like simply type at the secret phase, then they will pay me ransom. Okay, now let's run this code and see what's happened. Okay, Python, wait, I clear first. Let me clear. Okay, Python 3 decryption.python. So I run the decryption Python, enter the secret phase. Just now our secret phase, I write inside Thor group is the best. Okay, enter. So files that have to decrypt, look, lots of files have to decrypt, right? Just like what we see. And congrats, you earn back your file. See you again. So let's open again the file. Look, it's decrypted. It's decrypted. So the user get back their files. Yeah, this is the key. And now the ransomware, he ran all the ransomware with the encryption part and the decryption part. Look. Okay, so the demonstration will stop here, and wish you enjoy the video, and then you can create your own video, and maybe you can prank your family or you can prank your friends, but please don't do criminal things. Okay, please don't do the criminal things. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.